Hey, welcome to another episode of Network Marketing Automation. Ernest Davis here, and today we're going to discuss the 4 elements of an attractive offer. In our last episode, we went over the 5 value triggers to include in your marketing that would compel your audience, your targeted audience, to say yes and identify themselves as people you could potentially work with. Now, when you are specifically presenting your business opportunity with a prospect, you're laying everything out on the table with all the details necessary for them to make a decision. What things should you include in your marketing that would make it a no-brainer for your prospect to join? That is what we're going to talk about in today's episode. So here are the 4 elements of an attractive offer. Number 1 is immediacy. And I'm going to get right into the heart of this because here is what you need to convey to your prospect. If your prospect is at some point A, but their deepest desire is to arrive at point B, which is where their problems would be solved or where they would be the most fulfilled in life, then with immediacy, you want to display to them the speed at which they can get their desired result. Immediately, they can get that desired result or feel empowered to make progress toward their desired result because it's something that may not happen overnight. But people just need to have a vision where they're able to look down the road and can see their future self having achieved the result that they always wanted to achieve, which is that point B. They can see it, they understand it, and they can see that it can happen quickly and easily, and you have the solution. Immediacy. There has to be a sense of immediacy built into your offer. And if it doesn't exist, then people, they just don't feel like they need it. Number 2, value waterfalls. Now, the next 3 elements, 2, 3, and 4, are all about removing risk for your prospect because there is this brick wall that is between your prospect and your offer. And what you are attempting to do brick by brick is tear down this wall so that it destroys risk. It removes buyer's resistance. And you can do that through value waterfalls, meaning that you make it too valuable and that is actually more risky for them to not take your offer than it is to go ahead and join your business. For example, here's something that you could say to your prospect. If you don't get started with me right now, then how much further away from your desired goal do you think you will be in 12 months, 5 years, 10 years? You see, you already showed them how they can move towards their goal, and you are highlighting the consequences of them not taking the action. The fear of loss is a great motivator. And here's another example. Maybe you have an opportunity that is designed to provide savings. How much money will you save by partnering with our company versus what you are currently doing? It's like, why would you continue throwing money out the window? You would be foolish to not join us. And finally, here is something to include if you've acquired certain skills or have insight in areas that would help you get results faster for others because of your experience. So ask yourself, and this is from your perspective, how much time, energy, and money have you invested to learn what you've learned? What price did you have to pay? So you could say to your prospect, look, when I got started in this industry several years ago, I didn't know what I was doing. I made the typical rookie mistakes because I didn't have someone to guide me around the landmines, and it cost me precious time. Fortunately, I started investing into myself and learned how to build my business online the right way. And more importantly, I can help you get results faster. So don't go anywhere else to get what you want. Partner with me, and I can save you from all those headaches and sleepless nights of frustration and worry. All right, number 3 is social proof. You remove risk from people by showing them that other people are having success or love your product. Now, if you are a little newer with your opportunity and maybe don't have the results in your business yet, then you have a couple options. One is to use the stories and testimonies of others in your company or upline. Hey, I'm just getting started with this, but let me share with you Bob's story. There's no shame with that. It doesn't have to be results in your personal organization in order for you to use it. Now, another option is to give away something for free in exchange for feedback. So if you have a physical product that you can sample out to others, or maybe you can offer a free trial if you have a service. And that way you can collect testimonials that you can use in the future. Now, here's why social proof is so important. When people are considering joining an opportunity, one of their biggest fears in their wall of resistance is that they're going to fail, that they're going to look stupid because of being scammed. They don't want to get involved in something and then realize that the products are junk and that nobody's making any money. So when you give tons of social proof and success stories, you are providing evidence of how solid your opportunity is. And you can do this without providing income claims, which is a big no-no in the home business industry. And element number 4 is bonuses. So remove risk by pouring on bonuses. So what can you give someone for joining your business or buying your product pack if you have one? Well, you can give them a free consultation. You can give them a free ebook. You can give them a free online course. You can provide social media coaching. See, the real trick to this is to have the bonuses be worth just as much as your original offer. Now, here's the behavioral psychology behind this. You want people who are viewing your presentation and offer to say, "Oh my God, I want to join you in business just for the bonuses." Guys, don't underestimate the power of bonuses. And I understand if you are new and feel like you don't have anything of value to offer to prospects, you just have to get creative. One of the things that we did in our company was partner with a third-party supplier that provided tools and incentives that we could use to grow our business. And we bought these in bulk. So individually they were inexpensive, but the perceived value was much higher. And so when people appeared to be on the fence, we would hit them with these incentives, these bonuses, and they were like, "Are you serious?" So we made it a no-brainer, a total risk removal. At that point, after we had gone through the whole presentation and made the offer and then added these bonuses, then they would be crazy not to move forward. I mean, why wouldn't I join? And that's the question you want them to ask. Why wouldn't I join? There's no reason for me not to join. Everything's lining up. And that's the secret. So these 4 elements, in the way that I've outlined them here, if they are embedded into your offer, then your prospect is thinking, it makes no sense for me not to join. I mean, they would go to bed that night thinking that they are crazy or that something's wrong with them that they didn't join because it was such a great offer. That's where you need to get with your offer. So this concludes another episode of Network Marketing Automation. In fact, this will also be the final episode of season 1. I've truly learned a lot through this process, and I thank you for tuning in each week for the last couple of weeks. For those who have gone through or are going through the Network Marketing Automation Toolkit, look out for a survey in your email. I definitely want to hear from you and get feedback on what you liked or suggestions on what I can improve upon in the future. And if you haven't already grabbed your automation toolkit, what are you waiting for? It's still not too late. Just listen to this message from my beautiful wife and business partner, Jamima, on how you can access it today. Again, thank you for watching. God bless, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye now.
We hope that you enjoyed this episode of Network Marketing Automation. If you did, leave a comment below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Would you like a free step-by-step training series on how to build a rejection-free automated network marketing business? Then click on the link in the description of this video or head over to networkmarketingautomation.net to grab your free automation toolkit today.